is this?
I think it's a vending machine. It's a spin?
Is it like an XRP vending machine?
Maybe. What percentage of violations have to agree for the Xrp decided to make a forward?
Ooh,
Top one.
what is that?
Limited. Understand.
Let's see.
Okay. So I'm going to cross mark and there is an example of what
I don't know if I know the answer to this kind of stuff. You got like a random group.
Oh, true. Okay, what did you win? What did you win? Oh my God. Yeah. Let's see what's in the. Let's do the reveal.
Might be a t-shirt or a hat.
It's a t-shirt.
Sweet.
Very fun.
Nice.
Thank you.